everyone, welcome to the AS Level Business Studies course. In this video, we are going to learn about businesses, the types of products they use, factors of production, added value, and the basic economic problem. Now first off, what exactly are businesses? Businesses are any organizations that use resources to produce products that consumers want. Businesses can produce two types of products, consumer goods or consumer services. Consumer goods are physical and tangible goods that are sold to the public. These can be further classified into two categories, durable and non-durable. Durable consumer goods are goods that can be consumed over a long period of time. For example, washing machines, laptops, mobile phones, and so on. Non-durable goods are ones that are consumed quickly. For example, food and drinks. Consumer services are intangible products that are sold to the public. These include services like banking, security, finance, and so on. Now that we know what businesses produce, let's see how they produce it. The resources and inputs used by businesses are called factors of production. There are 4 factors of production. They are land, labor, capital, and enterprise. You can remember these with the help of the acronym CELL, C-E-L-L. C stands for capital, E for enterprise, L for labor, and L for land. Now first up we have land, which includes all the natural resources that are used by the business. These could be raw materials, coal, oil, mineral, and so on. Next, we have labor, which includes the human capital or the manual and skilled labor that are involved in the production process. Basically your employees and workers. Then we have capital, which actually includes 2 things. First is the finance invested in the business, and second, it includes the capital goods used in the production process. Capital goods are goods that are used to produce other goods and services. For example, machinery, production equipment, vehicles, buildings, and so on. And lastly, we have the factor enterprise. Enterprise is a factor that takes the risk and brings all other factors of production together. The person who acts as this factor is then called an entrepreneur. Now we will learn about the concepts of creating and adding value. Every business aims to sell their products at a higher price than what cost them to make it. This is called creating value. A business can do this in multiple ways, for example, by creating a luxurious retail environment or by offering complementary services. For example, a shop selling computers would employ skilled staff and offer after-sales service. Hence, as more value is created, customers are willing to pay a higher price. Therefore, added value is the difference between the selling price and the cost of bought-in materials. Don't get confused. Creating value is a process, whereas added value is the actual amount that differs between the selling price and the cost of bought-in materials. Moving on to the basic economic problem. The basic economic problem arises when there are limited resources but unlimited wants. Because of the lack of resources, not every want can be satisfied. Hence, scarcity arises. Now, because of scarcity, people are often forced to make a choice and prioritize their needs. And whenever there is a choice, there is always opportunity cost. Opportunity cost is the value of the next best alternative forgone. For example, if you use your pocket money to buy video games instead of books, then the opportunity cost would be the books you could have bought and read. To simplify, opportunity cost is the next best option that you gave up. That is all for today's video. I hope you understood these basic concepts. In the next module, we are going to talk about entrepreneurs and the major challenges faced by new businesses. See you!